Foggy, drafty windows, doors that stick. A home in need of upgrades wears on your comfort, your budget, and your peace of mind. At Mart, we have helped families for over 10 years across Alberta, British Columbia, Saskatchewan, and Ontario to restore comfort, beauty, and confidence in their homes through window and door replacement solutions that fit. Our promise is simple: trust. We show up. We do it right. We stand by our word. It's the promise we've built our reputation on. Our team of skilled in-house experts and energy-efficient window and door solutions can help bring warmth, light, and lasting value back to your home. Over 20,000 plus customers trust in our experience, knowing that every project, big or small, is handled by skilled professionals who care about every detail. They trust in our care and service from the first consultation to the final installation, knowing we're here to guide them through every step with expertise and care. They trust in our quality with energy-efficient windows and doors designed to last, protecting their homes from the elements and making every season more comfortable. Because when it comes to your home, there's no room for uncertainty. You deserve solutions that bring peace of mind, crafted with precision, installed with care, and supported by a team that stands by their work. Schedule your free in-home estimate today at windomart.ca